Hello guys, it's been a long time since we last meet. Today I'll create a minion hair clip. Okay, the materials we need are yellow 4-ply cotton and gray, black 2.5mm hook, glue, scissor, clip frame, match, a little white yarn, and these small tool eye. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to make 11 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 with yellow yarn. After that, we'll make 8 single crochet in each stitch. 9 single crochet. 2 3 Okay, I will show at the end. Okay, now we have got 9 stitch, 9 single crochet, at the end we'll make W for 10 stitch. On the other side, we'll make the same 8 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. At the end stitch, we'll make 2 single crochet in one stitch, or we'll increase. After this, we'll make slip stitch. Okay, this is the first row. Now we're gonna make second row. Make chain and 1 single crochet in this stitch. After that, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. So we get in each stitch we'll get 2 single crochet or increase in same stitch. Now we're gonna make 8 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In this row, we'll make 2 single crochet in 3 stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6. After that, on the other side, we'll make 8 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In the last 2 stitch, we'll make 2 single crochet in 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in each stitch, 2 single crochet in each stitch or increase. After that, make slip stitch. That's the end of row 2. Now to start row 3, we'll make single crochet, we'll make chain 1, and the pattern is a little chain, 1 single crochet. After that, 2 single crochet in each stitch. So I'm gonna make first in this stitch 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and the other stitch 2 single crochet in this stitch, in the same stitch. As the pattern, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in a stitch, 1 H and V, 1 H and V. After that, we'll make as usual 8 single crochet. Okay, I will show you this the end. After I've making 8 stitch, I will make this round X V, X V, X V for 3 times. Okay, 1 H V, H V, H V. As I mean, 1 single crochet, do single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, do single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. After that, as usual, we'll make 8 single crochet. Now I have finished 8 single crochet. In the last 4 stitch, we'll make HV 2 times. 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in 1 stitch or increase, or 1 single crochet for H and 2 single crochet in 1 stitch or increase. After that, now we have finished 3 rows and make slip stitch. Now we're gonna make third row or last row. Make chain. After that, 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. The pattern is HHV, HHV. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and increase. Okay, now we have finished 1 single crochet. After that, I will continue the 1 single crochet, and next stitch I'll make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So the pattern will be XXV. After that, as usual, we'll make X single crochet. I will show you that's the end. Now I finished 8 single crochet. After that, I will make this row for the pattern XXV for 3 times. So I will start X, 1 single crochet, or X, or 1 single crochet, and V, or increase 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. I'll finish 1 time. After that, I'll make continue 2 times X, X, V. Now continue X, X, V. After that, I will continue as usual 8 single crochet. Now I finished 8 single crochet. After that, I will continue the last stitches. The last stitches pattern in XXV for 2 times. So I'm gonna start X, X, V, and continue X or single crochet in 1 stitch, or X single crochet in 1 stitch, or V or increase. Now make slip stitch. Okay, this is the end of the clip frame. To make eyes, we'll use white yarn and gray yarn. Now I'm start with white yarn. Now I'm gonna make magic ring in 5 stitch. 5 single crochet in magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I pull the yarn to touch and make slip stitch to close this row. Okay, I'm stuck. Sorry. Now we have finished first row and cut the yarn. Now continue. Change the yarn color. We'll make 10 single crochet in this row for row 2. So that we have to make 2 single crochet in each stitch. So we'll get 10 single crochet. Okay, let's start. 1, make chain, and now count the yarn, count the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're gonna start this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now continue. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, to end as the make slip stitch. Okay, as this method will make another eye. Glass will make glass. To make glass, we'll use black yarn and make some T's chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, 16, and 17. Okay, now cut the yarn. Now we're gonna create minion hair clips. Let's follow my instruction.